How to stop Chrome from blocking downloading. If you are downloading a video but Chrome tells you can't download the video, it has stopped you from downloading the video. So today I will guide you how you can turn off the Chrome blocking downloads. First thing first, you need to open the Chrome application. And here you need to simply tap on the three dots which is at the right side of the screen. Once you tap on the three dots, here will be the drop down menu where you need to select settings. Scroll down and on this page you can find privacy and security. Simply tap on it and scroll down, and on the security option there is safe browsing. Tap on it. So here you can see that you have enhanced protection, which reads faster proactive protection against dangerous website, download and extensions. So now you need to simply tap on no protection. Now tap on turn off safe browsing. It does not protect you against dangerous website, downloads and extensions. So after you have done that, now Chrome won't stop you from downloading that you want to download on the Chrome. So in this way, you can easily solve the problem. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.